What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. Now, before we get into this one, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who's been supporting the channel. It really means a lot, and I'm really glad that you guys are finding value and enjoying the content. I've got so much planned for the next coming weeks, months, and years, and I can't wait to take you guys along for the journey. If you haven't already, click the link in the description. You can join our free Telegram, where we're going to have some content that you won't find on our Instagram or on YouTube. And there is going to be a roadmap coming soon with what I have planned. There's lots going on, lots of updates, and yeah, I can't wait for the future. So let's get into this video. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace. What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video and another episode of Why I Started Trading. So as you can see, we're out in the mountains right now. It's the last day, unfortunately. Didn't manage to get any footage before. The GoPro was having some issues, but I managed to get it sorted. And basically, we've got two trades on at the moment. We've got one trade on gold, which you can see here. I don't know if you can actually see it. I'll put a screenshot up of the current situation right now. In fact, I'll do screen record. And I'll basically run through why we took that trade later on. But basically, it's supply and demand. It's a demand zone, and we're looking for price to come down. The other trade is a breakout trade on GBP USD. This is currently in quite a bit of profit, and I've got a screenshot of that, but also I will show the recording of this as well. And yeah, we're looking for price to continue down, so we're going to go hit the first slope, hit the first lift, go have some fun, and hopefully make some money at the same time. So let's go. Hi guys, it's been out for about half an hour or so now, and I just found a spot with some 4G to check the trade, see what's going on. The Euro GBP trade is still pretty much doing its own thing. I'll put these on screen record again in case you can't see on here. I'll find out when I edit this. GBP kind of doing its thing. It's kind of hovering around, kind of consolidating on the lower time frames at the moment, but that's okay. Nothing too drastic, looking like we're going to change direction. We have got a nice fair value gap down here, which I assume to fill, and also a demand zone down here with a minor support, which price could come and revisit again, which is the target. Gold, on the other hand, is actually pushing down. Is it pushing down quite nicely? I can't tell. Yeah, so gold's pushing into profit now. We did push up out of profit, but we're down at the moment. We're going to be managing the trade around the bottom of this large white candle here. I don't know if you can see it. Because I'd rather take some profit there and then let the rest run. So I've got the alert set there, and yeah, we're going to continue snowboarding, and hopefully when we come back up to this point on the next run, we could have a little bit more profit. So let's see. Look at that view, man. So sick. Alright guys, so GBP USD is pushed up a little bit. I'm going to do one more run and then potentially see if I stop that one out at break even, because it is looking a little bit bullish now. Gold, on the other hand, we've taken first TP, and I'm glad I took it where I did, because you can see now it's pushing up from there. So we locked that in, got 80% left running with a stop loss at break even, so that's a success. So we just got GBP USD to manage about now and care about, and we'll see how that goes. So let's go have some fun.
Yay! Go. Wow.
Alright then guys, a couple of runs later and a backflip attempt later, we're back up on the top of the slopes. And GBP USD has just hit TP1. And I'm just waiting for this to load up, hold on. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've hit TP1, 80% is taken out, stop loss is at break even now. We're going to let that 20% run for the rest of the day. So super happy with that. Going down to gold, and gold has now got up. So I'm happy we took that first TP where we did. Very lucky in fact, because we've now pushed up and that 20% has gone to break even. So 2 successful trades, happy with that. With this view, and this view right in front of me, I think it's time for some lunch. Let's do it.
I don't know if he's going for fresh one.
Right then guys, so just stopped for lunch and we're just looking at gold while we were sat down, and I've just entered another position. Now we're buying gold. Basically we've had a break above this little blue candle here, which is above a major resistance if we look to the left here. Okay, so we've broken above that cleanly, we've broken above that high, so that's an entry for me. If we go to the 1 hour chart, signal up here is really bad, but if I maybe can go back and it will load. Let me come back in a second once it's loaded, and I'll explain why we're taking this buy. Okay, and while I was having lunch and waiting for this to load up, it actually, once it did, as you can see, it's hit full TP. So it's another nice buy in gold on trades. So we're 3 for 3 today, and we're going to leave that there and go enjoy the mountains for the rest of the day and lunch with the homies. So leave that video here. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I might throw in some more snowball clips at the end. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.